Are you looking for the best washer and dryer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best washer and dryers the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. KoolMore 2-in-1 Front Load Washer and Dryer Combo. Electric all-in-one washer-dryer combo. This front-loader washer and dryer lets you add in dirty laundry to get it washed up and dried without ever removing it for a quick, convenient wash/dry system that's fast and efficient. Adjustable wash and dry cycles. Along with a fast 20-minute wash cycle, there are 16 individual washing cycles and 4 drying cycles to better support clothes, towels, delicates, workout clothing, jeans, and other fabrics. Smart, space-saving combo unit. As a 2-in-1 washer-dryer, this versatile unit is ideal for smaller spaces such as apartments, small homes, dorm rooms, or even an RV. It's ventless, which makes it easier to dry clothes without complicated setups. High-powered performance with LED display. Designed with a 1300 RPM max spin speed and easy-to-manage push-button operation system, we've made washing and drying clothes quicker, easier, and more convenient for men and women. UL Energy verified with manufacturer warranty, service, safety, and reusability are all vital to our product effectiveness, which is why our apartment washer and dryer is UL listed and UL Energy verified with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Number 2. Costway 1700W Electric Portable Clothes Dryer. Large capacity front load dryer. Costway electric clothes dryer features a spacious 3.22 cubic feet capacity and dries up to 13.2 pounds of clothing, almost meets the drying needs of the whole family. Equipped with powerful 120V/60 Hz motor unit and PTC heat element, the inner drum will rapidly form the warm airflow to provide stable drying performance in low noise. Forward and amp, reverse tumble action. Featuring large diameter stainless steel tumble, this portable laundry dryer adopts the forward and reverse tumble action within a S-shaped device for easy rotation to prevent tangling, effectively removing wrinkles and restoring the fluffy and comfortable fabrics in the moderate temperature. Energy efficient and amp, quiet tumbling. Our electric clothes dryer equipped with 4 layers intake and amp, exhaust filter that is easy to clean to work efficiently and automatic shutoff to save energy. Experience reduced disruption with the quiet tumbling infrastructure, allowing you to run the dryer when sleeping or when going about your daily routine without excess loud noise. Lower noise, 58 to 62 dB portable and amp, space-saving. This electric laundry dryer weighs only 59.5 pounds. Power, 120V, 60 Hz, 23.5 inch x20 x 27.5 LXWXH, portable size, perfectly fit your apartment, dorm room and the little corner of the house. You can wall mounting it, place it on firm horizontal ground or rack mounted, the bracket is not included. Number 3. Equator version 2 Pro 24-inch combo washer dryer. All-in-one home washer/dryer, high-tech combination washer/dryer unit allows you to easily clean clothes, linens, and more right at home. All-in-one washer machine combo is compact to save valuable floor space within your laundry room. Easy to use with color-coded LED display, redesigned control panel, and convertible venting. Vent or ventless drying provides 110 volts and 1500 watts to ensure better drying. Built with your convenience. Customize your wash cycle with delay function and begin up to 24 hours later for maximum convenience. Smart sensors automatically select the perfect amount of water for every wash. Large load capacity, quickly dries laundry loads at 1200 RPM and dual fans, runs at less than 60 dB for quiet operation, features large 13-pound load capacity and can hold 5 to 7 bath towels to make laundry days a breeze. Specifications: shipping rods must be removed before the installation of the unit, otherwise, the machine will start dancing. Use heat detergent for better performance and ensure that the machine is leveled to avoid leaks. Measures 33.5 inches tall, 23.5 inches wide, and 22 inches deep for compact placement within your home. Number 4. Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. This is powerful yet compact clothes dryer machine. Euhomy portable dryer has a large capacity of 14.5 pounds, wet clothes. This dryer with 1400 W power, it can reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure that your clothes dry quickly. Note: use after spin drying, the drying effect is better. This portable clothes dryer has a large diameter, stainless steel flip function and a special, internal physical structure to deliver the best possible drying experience. These features ensure sufficient clothes rotation, prevent tangles, remove wrinkles, and leaves your clothes fluffy and comfortable. The high-efficiency, two-way flip function also helps save energy and reduces drying time. Our electric clothes dryer machine features a liquid crystal display (LCD) and has 4 drying modes, 1. Strong, drying even larger items quickly. 2. Intelligent, this smarts mode automatically adjusts drying time based on humidity. Great for all items, even larger ones. 3. ECO, deodorize any clothes, dry small pieces of clothing. 4. Normal, more suitable for clothes that need ironing or drying small pieces of clothing. 110-volt dryer, the wide-angle, 105-degree door opening makes it easy to put in and take out your clothing. The transparent window allows you to observe the status of your load at any time, and if you do open the door while the machine is running, it will automatically stop running to ensure your safety. The cotton filters effectively filters out cotton wool to prevent it from flying out. The handle allows you to easily move the unit to wherever you'd like it. With its compact size and handle, this portable dryer is ideal for small spaces such as apartments, dormitories, etc. It can be installed on a countertop, on a firm, level ground or mounted with a bracket not included. ETL and DOE certifications guarantee the safety and quality of our products. Number 5. Equator Digital Touch Apartment 110V Set 18 pounds washer plus 3.5 cf vented sensor dryer. Save space, stacked washer/dryer combination helps save space in your laundry room. By orienting your laundry units vertically as opposed to horizontally, you free up floor space for other appliances and tools. Side-by-side option, the washer and dryer can be kept side by side. The dryer height can be increased with the help of the adjustable feet to match the height of the washer. Sanitize in amp, drum clean, water is heated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize clothes. In drum clean option, water is heated to 131 degrees Fahrenheit to clean the inner drum and tub of the machine. Memory programs, for customized programs can be set and the washer will keep them in memory. This lets you run your special wash cycle instantly without having to repeat several steps to select the program each time you want to use it. Free stacking kit included.